Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Agunita Mani, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take App Development Ccs332 for Regulation 2021. In this video, we are going to see the fundamentals of app development and mobile app development lifecycle. In fundamentals of app development, we have two classifications: mobile application development and web application development. Now we can see that mobile application development. Mobile application development is a process of creating software applications that run on a mobile device. A typical mobile application utilizes a network connection to work with the remote computing resources. A mobile development process can involve the following steps. First one, creating the installable software bundle that can include the core binary assets, implementing the backend services such as data access with the API, and we can do the testing the application on the target device which is running or not. And we can move on to the mobile application development. It can be done in a web application development. Web application development means it's a process of client-side and server-side programming to develop the application accessible over the web browser. In this figure, the client side send the request through the internet to the server side, which is include the web server and application server and database. Server process the request, fetch the data and update the data and send the response to the application for display. And we can move on to the mobile application development. It can have the different type of steps here. We can have the planning, UI, UX designing, app development, testing, deployment, and maintenance and updates. We can see one by one. In planning and research, we can define the app objective, target audience, and key features, conduct the market research and challenges, choose the platform, which can be in iOS, Android, or both. We can design the tech stack that is native, hybrid, and class platform. Wireframing can be done in a UI design. Wireframing and prototype can create the app layout, designing the user interface and smooth user experience. Then we can creating the designing like icon, button, and animations. App development. It can include the two things, front-end tool and back-end tool. Front-end tool development, creating the client-side interface using Swift for iOS, Kotlin for Android, or framework like Flutter and React Native. Back-end development, setting the server, database, and the API and authentication. Integration, connecting the front-end with the back-end services. Testing. It can including the 4 testing here: functional testing, performance testing, and security testing, and usability testing. Functional testing, ensuring the all features work correctly. Performance testing, checking the speed, responsive, and scalability. Security testing, identifying the vulnerability. Then usability testing, ensuring a smooth user experience. Now we can move on to the deployment and research launching. Preparing the release on Google Play Store and App Store that can be done in iOS. Complying with the platform guidelines and policies. Setting up the analytics tools for tracking the performance. Now we can move to the last topic regarding to the topic: maintenance and updates. Fixing the bugs, security issues, releasing updates and adding new features, gathering user feedback, and improving the app. Thank you.